Here's the problem we're looking at. You're on Audacity or maybe some other recording program, and you're trying to record with your Blue Snowball microphone, and you're not getting any kind of waves or audio input. You're getting a flat line. The Blue Snowball is registering with the program, but it doesn't pick up any sounds coming to the Blue Snowball. This isn't just an issue with Audacity. If you go to your sound settings, you'll see that we have the Blue Snowball listed, but no sound is coming through. To fix this, go to Control Panel. If you don't have it right here on your desktop as an icon, then just do a search for Control Panel. And once you click it, you'll get a menu that looks like this. If you don't get a menu that looks like this, click on View By, switch this to Category. Then click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound, and click on the Recording tab. You should see the Blue Snowball listed here as a microphone. You want to double click it, or you can right click it and click Properties. Then you want to go to the Levels tab. And what you'll see is that this little icon is basically showing us that, yeah, the Blue Snowball is muted. I have no idea how it ended up like this, but it did for whatever reason. And all you have to do is click on this button and you should be unmuted now. And as we can see, we can now record audio in Audacity. I hope this solved your problem. I was super frustrated with this issue the other morning when I was trying to do a recording, and no YouTube tutorials would help. So if this doesn't solve your problem, I get the frustration. Let me know if this didn't work, and maybe I'll make an updated video addressing that issue. Anyways, that's the end of the tutorial, so feel free to go back right now. If this video did help you, then I would appreciate if you dropped off a tip via PayPal. If you noticed, this video didn't have any ads. That's because I know when you're solving a problem like this, the last thing you want to see is an ad while you're already raging at your computer. So I get no money off the video itself, but if you want, you could drop me off $1. With PayPal, you can make a one-time donation, so it's basically like a tip. Anyways, that's all. Good luck to solving any future computer problems.